I'm Dr. Lori Marvis, and I'm so excited to share with you the first edition of the Disease Reversal and Prevention Digest. It is a companion publication to the IJDRP, or the International Journal of Disease Reversal and Prevention. You can find the digest at diseasereversaldigest.com. In each edition, we will interview the authors who have published in the IJDRP. There's no middleman, blogger, or journalist putting a slant on the research outcomes. It's just the truth and the facts about the research in terms anyone can comprehend. We believe everyone has a right to understand the science that could impact their health. Also, you'll find articles and interviews about exercise, well-being, stress management, mindfulness, financial health, delicious and nutritious recipes, overcoming poor health habits, regeneration of the food ecosystem, and much more. Our hope is that this knowledge will empower and encourage you with the tools to lead a healthy life, and that you share that awareness with your friends and your family and healthcare providers, further promoting lifestyle interventions as the primary prescription for chronic disease. I hope you're as excited about the digest as we are to share it with you. So please subscribe now and take advantage of our low introductory annual subscription of $9.99. That is a full 67% off the annual subscription rate of $29.99. In 2019, we'll offer 2 fully packed issues, and in 2020, there will be even more. To subscribe, visit diseasereversaldigest.com.